Your home's curb appeal is the first impression it makes on visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. It reflects the style, care, and maintenance you've put into your property. While landscaping, exterior paint, and other factors contribute to your home's outward appearance, one often overlooked element is your windows. Proper window installation is one of the most impactful yet cost-effective ways to enhance your home's curb appeal in Loves Park. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or upgrading your current set, professional window installation can transform your home's exterior, making it more attractive, energy efficient, and valuable. Here's how investing in proper window installation can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Improved aesthetic appeal. Windows are a defining feature of your home's exterior. The right style, color, and size of windows can complement your home's architectural style and elevate its overall look. Whether you live in a charming cottage, a classic mid-century home, or a more modern design, windows play a key role in the visual appeal of your property. For instance, traditional homes. Classic double-hung windows with grid patterns work well for traditional and colonial-style homes. They offer a timeless look that blends with the architecture while providing a clean, polished finish. Contemporary homes. For a more modern aesthetic, consider sleek, minimalistic windows with large panes of glass. These offer a contemporary look and let in plenty of natural light, which is a hallmark of modern design. Farmhouse or rustic homes. Large picture windows or windows with a wooden finish can help enhance the rustic charm of your home. The right windows can instantly make your home feel more welcoming and beautiful. When your windows are aligned with the style of your home, they not only improve its appearance but also add to its character, giving your property a fresh, appealing look. Increased natural light. Natural light is a highly desirable feature in any home. Not only does it create a warm, inviting atmosphere indoors, but it also contributes to the attractiveness of your home from the outside. When you replace old, worn-out windows with modern, larger windows, you allow more light into your rooms. This creates a brighter, more open feel that is both energy efficient and visually appealing. Loves Park residents often enjoy sunny days, and having windows that let in plenty of natural light makes the most of these beautiful days. It also creates an inviting ambiance that can be seen from the street, showcasing your home as light-filled and well-maintained. Energy efficiency and modern features. While style is important, the functionality of your windows also plays a role in curb appeal. Old, inefficient windows may show signs of wear, such as fogging, discoloration, or cracked seals, which can detract from your home's overall appearance. Modern windows, especially energy-efficient models, are designed to perform better while enhancing the exterior of your home. Energy-efficient windows have double or triple glazing, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills that help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. These windows are not only visually appealing but also show that you care about both aesthetics and practicality. Buyers in Loves Park are likely to appreciate the long-term savings in energy costs, which adds value to your home. Moreover, many energy-efficient windows come in sleek, modern designs that instantly improve the look of your home, reducing the visual clutter that old, drafty windows can bring. These upgrades are not only good for curb appeal but also for your home's comfort. Enhanced value for resale. Proper window installation can significantly increase your home's resale value, particularly if you live in a competitive market like Loves Park. When prospective buyers see that your home has modern, well-maintained windows, they're more likely to perceive your property as being more valuable. Buyers tend to prefer homes that are move-in ready, and windows are one of the key features they'll inspect during a tour. Homes with old, drafty windows may require more attention and could turn buyers off, especially if they have to factor in the cost of replacing windows after purchasing the home. Upgrading your windows can give your home an edge over others on the market, making it a worthwhile investment if you plan to sell in the future. Many buyers recognize that properly installed windows mean fewer maintenance headaches, better insulation, and less energy consumption, which makes your home more attractive. Low maintenance and long-lasting appeal. New windows are generally much easier to maintain than older models. If you've struggled with windows that are difficult to open, seal, or clean, new installations provide a welcome change. Many modern window materials, such as vinyl and fiberglass, are low maintenance and resistant to weather-related damage. These materials retain their appearance over time and require minimal upkeep to keep them looking fresh and functioning well. Newly installed windows will maintain their curb appeal without the need for constant attention, unlike older windows that might need frequent repairs, repainting, or cleaning. Increased security. Window installation doesn't just enhance appearance, it also improves the security of your home. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms, impact-resistant glass, and stronger frames, providing better protection against break-ins. These upgrades will not only make your home more secure but will also give it a more polished and sturdy appearance, adding to your home's curb appeal. Conclusion. Proper window installation is one of the most effective ways to boost your home's curb appeal in Loves Park. From improving your home's aesthetics and natural lighting to increasing energy efficiency and enhancing security, new windows make a significant impact on both the functionality and beauty of your home. Whether you're looking to increase your home's value, reduce energy costs, or simply refresh its exterior, upgrading your windows is a smart investment that provides long-term benefits. Working with a professional window installer will ensure that the job is done correctly, maximizing the positive effects of your new windows.